Let's learn how to build on Sandbox. The first thing you're going to need to do is install the Sandbox installer. You can find it by going to sandbox.game and switching over to the Create tab. You click on Download. Right now they only have it available on Windows, but they are coming out with the Mac version soon, so make sure you're using a Windows machine. You download it like most installers. You download the file, and just wait for that to finish downloading. Once that's done, open up the file, extract it because it's a zip folder. Now the extracted file will be in your folder. Just run that file to install it. Go through the regular process. And it's installed.